One. Ska se med anliczny wkładkowa.
Every single day, I'm gonna make.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Maskara Cakes. My Boxycharm came today, so I'm going to review last month and open this month's. For some reason, I have the brushes over here, but I don't feel like getting them all out. I don't have any of the other stuff. It's all dispersed through my makeup shit, and I don't feel like looking for it. So I'll throw pictures up of it as I explain it. First thing we got was the glitter drops that are supposed to mix in or go under your foundation, I guess. And I mixed it in with my foundation once, and I looked in the mirror, and it was straight. Ta-da! There you go. Go sit on the bed.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to sit there.
And I mixed it in with my foundation once, and it was straight big old chunks of glitter. I kind of liked it. I'm not gonna lie. I will probably, if I find it, I will probably do that again. Because I'm a fucking weirdo. And then, and I know my friend Iker just put that all over his face. That didn't turn out as well as he thought it would. But I just put a little bit in with my foundation, so it was a little different. And then the next thing we got was the 4-piece brush set from Luxie. It was the mini brushes. And I've been using those all the time. I like them. They're really good for getting really detailed work in. I enjoy those very much. The next thing we got was the lashes from Lashaholic, I believe. And they were fine. I wore them. They were pretty. But they did not come with a glitter glue, which not everybody just has, not glitter glue, eyelash glue. Just not everybody has eyelash glue on them all the time, so that's kind of annoying for people that don't. So that's a gripe I have. Because every time they send lashes, they never send eyelash glue. That's not cool. And then, the Ace Beauté palette. I'm actually giving that to my friend Elise, so it's packed up, ready to go. Because I think she would enjoy it and use it more than I would. Because I'm pretty sure I have I know I do, have all those colors already. But I used it once, and the formula is nice. So if you're in need of colors like that, you should get something like that. It was nice. It blended really good. But I think Elise will use it more than I would. And then the last thing was the glitter, Jante Bleu glitter eyeliner. Pencil liner. Yeah, that's what it was. And I didn't really like any of the other Jante Bleu liners I've gotten. But the glitter one was fucking awesome. And I loved it. And maybe you're not supposed to put glitter on your glitter liner on your wet line. But I did. And it didn't do anything bad to my eyeball. And I really liked that eyeliner. It was really fucking cool. Because they had glitter in it. And I really like glitter. So, I like that one. So that was my review of last month's box. Was okay. I'm getting rid of some stuff. But I just don't know where any of it is. Sorry. So, this month's box that I did not open beforehand. But that's okay, because it came right open. I didn't see what was in there, but I'm just letting you know, if I don't get the Suva Beauty palette, that was one of the options, I am canceling after today. I will go on Boxycharm and cancel my subscription after I get done filming this. Just letting you know. It's the Season. Get it? Season. I get it. But I like flamingos, so that's cute. Flamingo with a Santa hat. Alright. There's a limited warranty for something. Oh, that's fucking weird. Alright. So first thing in here is this Pretty Vulgar, the Powder Room powder. So I like Pretty Vulgar, so that'd be nice to try. See how that works. And it's well, of course it's full price. But I always love Pretty Vulgar's packaging. So that's cool. And this one is a Detox Activated Charcoal Mask by Cosmetics. I like masks. I've never heard of this brand. But I also like charcoal masks. So this will be cool. This one is a Barely There lip pencil. Oh, that's a pretty color. It's like a blushy nude. I don't really like lip liners, so we'll see. Maybe I'll give it to my sister or my niece. I don't know. I'll decide. I don't like Tarte, but I got this. I'll see what color it is. It's the Tarteist lip paint in all this glitter, so we'll see. I don't know, it's this brownie glitter. Strike gold. And I like gold, so I'll see how this looks. And then this, the fuck? I didn't get any of the palettes. I don't. This is a ceramic mini styling tool. It's one of those hair straightener things. I do not want this shit. I guess I'm canceling Boxycharm. This is not makeup. I don't really need. I have 3 up. There's a box up on top of this bathroom thing. There's like two or 3 in there. I don't fucking use. Don't need this. What I needed was that Suva Beauty palette. The fuck. So that's annoying. I'll give this to somebody. Because I won't ever use it. Ever. I don't use the ones I have. I don't have time to style my fucking hair. Please. I barely have time to do makeup. I don't need this. I'm very annoyed by this. Okay. Well, the lip paint was $20. The Bodyography lip liner was $12. The Pretty Vulgar powder was $32. The Cosmetics mask was $30. And this thing is $75. So, I don't know. I'm just annoyed. I'm canceling Boxycharm because what the fuck. Boxycharm is a $21 a month subscription service. You get 5 full-size products a month. And usually the boxes are $100 or over worth of stuff. Which is pretty nice. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.